Welcome back, everyone, to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Please subscribe, comment below. Today, I want to talk about 10 ways to make money with a pickup truck. Let's get it, baby. That's what we're about, making money, saving money, investing money, and the future of making money. 10 ways to make money with a pickup truck. First and foremost, my uncle always told me, if you have a truck, there's no way you should be broke. Think about that. So, a pickup truck is a great way to make money, especially if you have one of those long bed pickup trucks. Get paid to haul stuff away. I see those all the time on Facebook, Craigslist, social media. Yeah, I got a pickup truck. If you need me to haul something away, boom, I got $30, quick dollars, $50, whatever. Depending on how much stuff it is, it'd probably be $30 a load. That's good money in an hour. Local business deliveries. You can go to these flower shops. You can go to different companies that need deliveries. Work with them instead of signing up with different services, which I'm going to get to a little bit later on in the video. So local businesses, flower shops, any of these mom and pop stores that might need a local delivery. Talk to some of your airports, cargo ports, where they have independent contractors as well. But I believe they will hire flatbed trucks or pickup trucks and vans as well. You can use a van for as far as a courier. So you can also wrap your truck. They have Carvertise. They have different social media apps that you can download and get paid to wrap your truck and advertisement, things like that. Budweiser, Red Bull, whatever advertisers are on there, you get paid like that. Haul building supplies. You have commercial. A lot of commercial sites need that. Even though they might have their own dump trucks come in, but you can't hurt to go on some of these construction sites and talk to the general manager and see, can you haul stuff away, for them, or do they have a budget for that? They might have a budget for that. You never know. They say closed mouths don't get fed. Garage sale deliveries. This is one of the interesting ones you can do. Be on the lookout for garage sales in your area. Let people know you will handle their deliveries for them. That's a great deal, because you always, when it's sunny outside on the weekend, people have garage sales. They have yard sales. You can always go around and give them your business card. Let people know that you will haul it away for them. People trust reputable businesses. Repeat business will come back to you. Offer landscaping services. That's another great way to make a side hustle. Landscaping, we will always need that every summer. You can do that, or you can even, I know a company that traveled. When it got cold in Chicago, they traveled to the West Coast and made money, or some of them even travel across seas. It just depends on how big your company is. Snow plowing services. You can stay in your own city, put a snow plow in the front of your pickup truck. Boom, there you go. You got liquid salt or salt in some of these companies. A lot of these companies need that when they want those people to come to work. They want the customers to be safe. They want that snow plowed in their driveway, Not just driveway, but the office surroundings that people parking areas. Large appliance repair pickup and delivery. That's two things. You can pick up, deliver, well, three things. Pick up, deliver, and service them. That's three hustles right there. Service, service, service. It's all about customer service when you have a small company like that. So, let's see. Find pickup truck jobs on Shipperoo. Another great one. Shipperoo has the businesses connected to the individuals, just like a local courier service. Great service. Join TaskRabbit to offer delivery services. The sharing economy. We live in a gig economy, so this is nothing new as far as 2020 going into 2021. We live in a gig economy, so TaskRabbit, Shipperoo, they have some other great apps. You could probably do Uber on the side if you want to, if you're just sitting. But these are great services offered. 10 ways to make money with your pickup truck. If you know another way, please comment below. See you guys next time, man. It's election day, election week, sort of say. Election year, man. I know you guys are looking at that TV like crazy, but don't forget, don't let anyone stop your money coming in. No matter who's president, we got to take care of our kids. We got to take care of our bills, and and most of all, most importantly, we have to take care of ourselves. See you guys next time on Financial Pro YouTube channel.